Hey, today we're going to talk about how Grayscale looks to add Solana, Polygon, ICP, and 10 more crypto assets to their management. Guys, it is heating up. We're also going to look into the charts to see where we're at right now and where we're heading. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. Probably not. Yeah, guys, I know I'm having a great day, man. It's Father's Day weekend, Juneteenth. You know, I've been celebrating Juneteenth, for forever. So now to see everybody start celebrating, it's like, where you been at? So I guess when other people tell them to celebrate, that's when they celebrate it. But yeah, guys, back at it again, baby. Guys, right now the accumulation stage, baby. Are you going to be scared? Are you scared at the moment? Are you scared? Don't be scared. But yeah, guys, before we get into everything, guys, make sure if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, check out our website, www.cryptoblack.net. And we have a beginner's course where you'll be able to go in and learn about cryptocurrency and on a beginner's level. It won't be too crazy, too much lingo, and the where you're like, man, I'm completely lost. It's made specifically for beginners. If you guys say, listen, I want to be able to actually go and have a report. You say, listen, I'm not a beginner, but I want to have a report where I know when to buy, what coins to buy. I want to know when, probably when to get the market. Like we knew to get the market now, our report. Then, you're able to actually utilize that report. Not only in crypto, but it's in stocks as well. Stocks, options, futures. And if anybody been following me on Facebook, they see, how I am with the option game, Also, guys, if you say, listen, you know what? Forget that. I want to be amongst a bunch of traders. I want to be able to trade with different people. I don't want to trade alone. I'm tired of losing alone, or I feel like I'm winning, but I want to get to the next level. I want to be in a trading group. Then, guys, you can join our trading group, DCG Mastermind. But everything I just talked about is in the description below, guys. Click the description, and you can just click right the link, take you right where you need to be. You can read up on it and go from there. But guys, let's get right into it. It's Friday. I have a 6-year-old that's ready to go out and play, and he's like, "Daddy, let's go." All right, so I gotta go. All right, so let's go. So it says Grayscale looks to add Solana, Polygon, ICP, and 10 more crypto assets. The crypto asset manager is now exploring a total of 31 new investment products. And guys, when Grayscale looking to buy things, then that's the product you probably want to be in, because they're going to buy a whole lot. And when they buy a lot, what happens to the price? So that's something that you just want to think about. But before we do that, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the big dog, Bitcoin. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $35,480. All right. I kept telling everybody, if you are looking, to trade, it's going to be pretty tough to trade. This is the accumulation stage right now. So that's when you want to, throw $200 in, buy Bitcoin. You want to put 2,000, 1,500, whatever you want to do. You're accumulating. You get to accumulate. And then now, after you accumulate, with these lower prices, this is for long term, not for right now, because you're going to be, it's going to hurt right now. If you buy, just accumulate, and then you get out, and then you wait for the price to go back up, and then that's when you can sell. You can sell at 50, 60,000, 70,000, 100,000, right? So you bought it down here. That's what we did. That's all we did down here, man. We accumulated down here, and then we was able to sell up here. So, and that's the thing. That's why you see people that've been in it for a while, they're not really too worried about it, because we're like, yo, we bought it all the way down there. So this is you want to be when the price is all the way through the moon, then that's when you sell it, right? And then when people are like, oh man, I bought Bitcoin at 120,000 and now it's 118,000. I'm sorry, 100,000 or maybe 98,000. You're like, man, I bought it at 35,000. So that's the thing you wanna be like, okay. But if you are looking to accumulate, this is a good stage in accumulation. But trading, like I said, I wouldn't be happy until Bitcoin is basically above, like I said, above this trend line. We got to get above 45, 46. You know what I'm saying? 45, 46 trend line, then I'm happy. I won't be really, really, really happy until we're above, like I said, about 52,000. If we get above 52,000, I'll be pretty happy. But looking at right now, guys, Bitcoin is breaking this line here between under 35.8. Something to be thinking about. Next stop, guys, is just look at the fib. Next stop is 32.8, about 32.9, basically. So you want to make sure, because last time I wicked down here, and like I said, could we test 30,000 again? We'll see how the weekend plays out. We could test 30,000 again, but let's try to stay above. The day's not over though. The day's not over, so let's try. We can stay above this 35. This 35 about 35.9. Then I think we should be fine. We should be fine. We're above 35.9. But yeah, guys. Let's but like I said, until we're above this here, it's gonna be a little tough trading. You can play this game right here. Like I said yesterday, we've been playing this game in between here. It's 38.2 to about 40,000, about 40,006. We've been playing that game. It's been trading, but really, really, as you've really been looking at it, you'll see here, guys, we have actually really been playing this game here. The long has been 32.8 to 40, 32.8 to 40. You can see all the way back here, really. I would say back to about May 22nd. So you're trading in between this right here. Okay. But let's get right to the story, guys. So it says, leading crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments is exploring 13 additional investment products announced on Thursday. The list includes 3 top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap: Solana, Polygon, which I love, internet protocol. A lot of people are down. That joint is like $800 something. That joint is like $60 now in a matter of weeks. So the asset manager is also looking into 1inch, which I like, Bancor, which I love, Curve, Kava, I love Kava, Kyber, I have a whole lot of that, LRC, Near, Ren, love Ren, made a lot of money for Ren, UMA, Universal Market Access, and ZRX. So it says update the net assets under management holdings per share and market price per share for our investment products. So it says Grayscale and right now it's at $34.4 billion they have, man, in crypto. Whew, this is a lot, man. Grayscale, they do their thing. So it says Grayscale has over $33 billion in assets under management. The asset manager's Bitcoin trust product, GBTC, is the clear leader of the 13 investment products it currently offers with $24.5 billion in and then under management. Assets under management. So, however, shares in the trust shares have traded at a discount to the price of Bitcoin since February. Now, the 13 new assets under consideration are in addition to the 18 the company is still exploring, meaning that Grayscale is considering a total of 31 investment products. So it says Grayscale announced that was looking into potential 23 potential new assets in February and launched 5 in March. That was BAT, Chainlink, Mana, Filecoin, and Live Peer. Now, the addition of new, and I was happy when they listed Chainlink and BAT and Mana because I was in them already. Woo. So the addition of new investment products requires significant review and consideration, and is subject to substantial internal controls, sufficiently secure custody arrangements, and regulatory considerations, said Grayscale in its latest announcement. Now, investment trusts and funds like Grayscale provide companies exposure to cryptocurrencies without the need to take custody of the underlying asset. The products which trade on public stock exchanges track the price of cryptocurrency, though some funds can trade at a premium or discount to their underlying asset. Now, Grayscale's latest announcement comes just days after Morganstanley announced that it's set to expand on the Bitcoin fund options it offers. In March, it became the first major U.S. bank to launch a crypto investment fund, nipping at Grayscale's heels. And guys, I'm telling you, man, people don't understand, like I said, the major institutions, the hedge funds and everything, they are buying this stuff out. They're buying this stuff. I'm telling you, people don't understand. And when what happens, monkey see, monkey do, because I said it last year. When everybody don't want to be the first to the market. So when one do it, another one, and they said another one do it, and another one do it because they don't want to lose customers. Because if you are, let's just say you're a hedge fund and you don't want any exposure to Bitcoin, another hedge fund, and you're giving your people about 5%, let's say 5% a year people are getting, right, off of their investments, 5 to 8% a year through mutual funds, let's just say mutual fund. And they get ROI by 8%. I just throw it up there, 8%. Then another firm comes and is out here, pretty much getting into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin have an average of 200% a year that they're earning. What do you think people want to put their money at? One is paying you 8%. Another one, hey, listen, we're gonna take the risk and we'll get some Bitcoin exposure. And one asset is giving you 200% a year. What do you think people are going to do? So other hedge funds is not going to sit there and lose customers because another management company is actually it's giving out bigger returns, because they're going to say, listen, all right, well, let's figure it out. Let's try it out. So that's why you're seeing a lot of these different major hedge funds and money management companies. They're out here and they're going to want exposure to cryptocurrency because, you pay high, you're getting higher yields. It's that simple, So, and they don't want to lose customers, money talks. This is how it goes. So you're going to see more come. And, and you have the people that says, okay, me personally, I won't never buy GBTC. I'd rather buy the real thing. I'd rather have it in my wallet. But you're going to have majority of the people. It is what it is. Majority of the people going to want to have an institution manage it for them. They want to buy it from them because it's somebody they can pick up the phone and call. Somebody they can talk to. If something happens. So it is what it is. So what happens is it's the same thing. So if more people want that to happen, then they're going to go buy Bitcoin. They're going to go buy Ethereum or Solana or whatever. And that institution is going to buy it so they can sell it to their customers, right? To their clients. So it's the same thing. If their clients go out and buy it or the institution go out and buy it, it's the same thing. You're dealing with an asset that has, and it's actually better. It's actually it's kind of fun when the institution go out to buy it, because the institution going to go buy a whole lot all at one time. So, the price going to move up really quick instead of like a small gradual where, different people buying it and buying it and buying it. So the institution go out here, they're going to buy it all in one big slump, one big swoop, and buy it all, and which drive the price up. And people like us that actually have custody of our own stuff, we can trade it, sell it, whatever we want to do with it. So, it's I'm not mad at it. If some people want their stuff, it's just how it is. Some people stuck in their ways. I'm not going to change. I'm going to change it. I'm going to do what I want to do. You do what you want to do. We both get similar outcomes, right? So all that matters. But yeah, guys, I believe in Bitcoin more than I believe in fiat. That's all I'm going to say. But guys, let me know what you think about this right here, guys. Are you in some of these projects? Are you inside Solana? Are you in Polygon? Are you in ICP? Oh, I'm sorry for you if you are. Or if you're inside any of the other products, I would love to know. Loop Ring, Kava, Curve, Rin. Let me know. I would like to know, guys. 1inch is a good product as well. Matic, we all know. We all know how Matic is. But I like to know, guys. And do you think, or should I say, tell me which one you think, out of all the ones you're looking at, which one you think is going to make it in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy these holidays coming up, guys. It's going to be so much fun. We'll have a great time. Enjoy your family, guys. That's just how it is. Life is all about enjoying your family, enjoying life. That's what it's all about. Everything else is just an afterthought, But again, have fun this weekend, guys. Happy Friday. I'll see you guys next week. Monday, baby. She got Crypto Chuck here to be Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.